Hello, hi everyone. So I want to make today Sri Lankan Pol Sambola. We call it Sri Lankan Pol Sambola. So um, I mean like coconut salad. So um, this is fresh coconut, and I put half in this fresh coconut. I know it's my country's people crazy about it. The Pol Sambola, they like it too much. But especially here in Dubai, I hear so many people say, "Oh, we miss Pol Sambola. We don't know how to make it here, and so you want to eat Pol Sambola. We want to go home, and But so this is not big deal. Even in Dubai, how to make pol sambola is very easy. So this is fresh coconut, and I add onion, little bit onion, and 2 pieces garlic. So and chili pieces is very spicy, and then add black peppers, and then some dry pieces. It's very, very, very tasty. So add some dry pieces, and then add salt and some lemon. So then I think I add a little bit more chili. This must be red color. I want to become red color. And that's it. And then we have to mix up in the hands properly. So you can check is have enough salt, have enough lemon. And that's it. That's Pol Sambola.